Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. This is a data interpretation question. The following two pie charts exhibit distribution of the overseas tourist traffic from India. The two charts show the tourist distribution by country and the age profile of the tourist respectively. Study the charts carefully and answer the questions 37 and 38 which follow. If among the others country category, Switzerland accounted for 15% of the Indian tourist traffic, and it is known from official Swiss records that a total of 30 lakh Indian tourists had gone to Switzerland during the year, then find the number of 40 to 49 years old Indian tourists who went abroad in that year. Now, the total Indian tourists is equal to 30 by 15% into 20%, that is equal to 1000 lakh. Therefore, the number of Indian tourists in the age bracket 40 to 49 is equal to 25% into 1000 lakh, that is equal to 250 lakh. So option A is the correct answer. Now the next question, which is also a continuation of the previous one, is going by the Swiss records mentioned in the previous question, what is the number of 50-plus-year-olds who visited UK during the year, assuming that the age distribution of overseas Indian tourists was uniform for all the countries? So, the number of 50-plus-year-olds who visited UK is 1000 into 20% into 55%, that is equal to 110 lakh. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is, the antonym of the word calm is option A music, option B pain, option C lull, option D troubled. Option D is the correct answer. The antonym of the word calm is troubled. Then the antonym of the word dreary is option A surprise, option B calm, option C cheerful, and option D composed. Now option C is the correct answer, that is cheerful. The next question is, the synonym of the word amused is option A glad, option B confused, option C bewildered, and option D bleared. Now option A glad is the correct answer. The next question is, the synonym of the word mammoth is A large, B big, C gigantic, and D hefty. Option C gigantic is the correct answer. The next question is, one word for a person with identity concealed is option A hidden, option B incognito, option C spy, and option D concealed. Now option B, that is incognito, is the correct answer. The next question is, one word for a thing kept as a reminder of a place or event is option A nostalgic, option B remembrance, option C memorial, and option D souvenir. Option D, that is souvenir, is the correct answer.